In this video, I'll show you how to increase this text here on your TikTok app. So if you're finding these caption text hard to read and it's really small, then let me show you how to increase it. So before you begin, you want to first go to your App Store or your Google Play Store, search for TikTok and make sure it's been updated to the latest version. Now once that's updated, go ahead and open the app. Here you're tapping on Profile at the bottom right, and then tap on 3 lines at the top right, and then tap on Settings and Privacy. Now once you're here, scroll down until you see Accessibility, which is right here. Tap on it. And now from this menu, you want to tap on Text Size, which is the first one on the list. Now here at the bottom, TikTok will give you a slider, which you can slide to the right or left. And this will basically adjust the text size of the caption. So if you like it small, go ahead and keep it as it is. But if you want to make the text a bit larger, go ahead and slide it to the right. Now once you're happy with that, go ahead and tap on Adjust. And then tap on Adjust again. So TikTok will basically close the app. You'll need to go back and open up TikTok again. And once you do, here you'll see your text has been increased in the caption area. The text increase has also affected all the text in the other parts as well. So here in the settings, here in the For You page, on the right here, on shops, on your inboxes as well. So there you go. That is how to increase text size on the TikTok app. Now, if you're new on the channel and you want to find out more about your iPhone, your Android phone, or any other social media apps, then don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Hit the like button if you find this video useful. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.